Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to delete a Dropbox account. Right, so if you no longer need a Dropbox account and you are sure that you want to delete it, here's how to do it. So all you have to do is open up your Dropbox account that you want to delete. Make sure it's the account you want to delete, not another one. Then all you have to do is click on your account icon in the bottom left corner here, then select settings from this menu. Then we will see our settings page here. So all we have to do is scroll down on this page and we're gonna see delete account, delete my Dropbox. Please keep in mind that if you delete your account, all folders and files you have added to your Dropbox will be deleted as well. And also, if you have a subscription, it's better to cancel the paid Dropbox subscription before you would delete your account. If you don't know how to do that, I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out. But if you are sure that you want to delete your Dropbox account, just click on delete account here. As you can see, I haven't canceled my subscription yet, so I have to first cancel my subscription, and then you have to confirm that you want to delete this account, and then your Dropbox account and all the files that the account has will be deleted as well. So notice I can delete a Dropbox account.